The Karrar is an Iranian main battle tank. The tank was announced on 12th March 2017. At the announcement, it was stated that it possessed an electro-optical fire control system, a laser rangefinder, ballistic computer, and could fire at both stable and mobile targets in day or night. Despite its visual similarity to T-90, Iran has rejected any alleged Russian collaboration in the project. After the Karrar was unveiled to the public, Tehran announced that it will undergo mass production on 12th March 2017. Speaking to the TAN Tasneem news agency, Brigadier General Keomars Heydari has mentioned that the Karrar would be delivered in 2018. The Iranian army plans to procure up to 800 Karrar main battle tanks.